Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. Now today we are going to start the exercise of chapter number 3 decimal number. Question number 1 is filling in the blanks. Exercise 3, filling in the blanks. Filling in the blanks. Question number 1. So the first filling in the blank is expressed as decimal form. So the value is 12 by 24. So you have to put the numerator inside and denominator outside and divide it. You will see that 12 is smaller than 24, so 12 will not come in the table of 24. Now what you have to do, put 0 here, point here, 0 will come here. Now you will see that the value inside is 120 multiply 24 by 4. 4 ones are 4. How many 4? 4 4s is 16. 6 1 carry. 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 9 96. 96 is smaller than 120. Now multiply 24 by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. 1 5 4s are 20. 2 carry. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. And plus 2. 120. So 5 times 120. So 120 is the answer. So in this filling in the blank, the answer is 0.5. Hope you understand the method how you convert fraction into a decimal. Simply divide it, you will get an answer and write it in the filling in the blank. The next blank is the decimal equivalent of 23% is. Now move to page number 36. The method of converting a percentage into decimal is given. First step of converting a percentage into a decimal is remove this sign. Convert percentage into fraction with the denominator as 100. Write it as 23 by 100. Now, whenever the percentage sign is removed, in the denominator 100 will come. In the next step, just divide it, you will get the answer in decimal. Whenever the decimal, remember it, whenever the decimal sign is removed, whenever the percentage sign is removed in the denominator, 100 will come. Now divide it by placing the numerator inside and denominator outside. You will see that 23 is smaller than 100. It will not come in the table of 100. So put the point and 0 here. 100 1s are 100. 100 2s are 200. Subtract them. You will get 30. Put 0 here. 3s are 300. So the answer of this blank is 0.23. Now moving to the next blank, percentage equivalent of 0.4. Now here the concept which we have studied before, that how you convert a decimal into a percentage is applying. Okay. Third point is you have to convert this decimal number into percentage. Move back to the theory. Here is the steps how you convert a decimal into percentage. First, remove the point. First step is remove the point. Remove the point. How you remove the point? By placing when you remove the point, the number of the power in the numerator, the power of 10 come according when you remove the point on in the numerator, 0 and 4 will come. 0 की कोई value नहीं होती, there is no value when the 0 is present before any digit, so we write 4. In the denominator I write 1. How many digits after the point? Only 1, so 10 will come in the denominator. Okay. Okay, the first step is you have to remove the point, which we have done, and in the next step, you will know that 100% is equal to 1. So if I suppose here that this is multiplying with 1, in place of 1 you can write 100%. So multiply 4 by 10 by 100%. 0 0 will cancel out with each other. 4 tens are 40, so 40% is the answer. So in the third blank the answer is 40%. The next is the number 2.16 is expressed as a fraction. How you convert a fraction into a decimal number into fraction, I will tell you in the previous lecture. Moving back to the theory, conversion of decimal number, conversion of what? Decimal number into the concept is simple as before. Remove the point. First, when you remove the point in the denominator, there will come 100. Now divide it, you will get this is the only the concept of this blank is simple. Just remove the point. When you remove the point in the denominator, how many digit before after the point will come 100. If there are 2 digit, 1 के साथ 2 0 100 आ जाएगा. अगर इधर हमारे पास 1 0 होता तो इधर हमारे पास 10 आ जाता. अगर पॉइंट के बाद 3 डिजिट आते तो हमारे पास 1000. अगर 4 डिजिट होते तो 10,000. Okay, now this is a value 4.5555 is a dash decimal. You have to tell it is terminating, non-terminating or reoccurring. As you see, if the digit after the point is same and it is repeated again and again, so it is reoccurring decimal. So the answer is reoccurring. Now we are moving to question number 2. In question number 2, state which whether the following are true or false. So the first true and false is 0.5 is equal to 50 by 100. When we convert this decimal into a fraction, the answer is 5 by 10, because there is only one digit after the point, so in the denominator the 10 will come. If there are 2 digits after the point, then the 100 will come, so it is false. Now next MCQ is 137 divided by 10. 137 divided by 10. Here just divide it by putting the numerator inside and denominator outside. 10 ones are 10. Subtract it, you will get 3 and 7 37. 3 10 3s are 30. Subtract it, you will 7. Then put a point here, you will get 0, because 7 will not come in the table of 10. That's why I put a point here and 0 will come here. 10 how many times? 10 sevens are 70. So this is equal to 13.7. Here it is given 1.37, so it is false. So see the third true and false. 345% is equal to 3.45. The same method which I have discussed in filling in the blank number 2 will apply it here. Check it by using that method. And in true and false number 4, 3/7 is terminating or non-terminating. Just you have to divide 3/17 by putting numerator inside and denominator inside. If we have studied before that terminating decimal are decimal that have finite number of digits after the decimal point. ऐसे डिजिट्स ऐसी डिवीजन जिसमें हम फ्रैक्शन को डिवाइड करें तो उसमें पॉइंट के बाद जो डिजिट्स हैं वो काउंटेबल हों, डेट टर्मिनेटिंग, और डेसिमल नंबर with a finite number of digit after the decimal point. Infinite number of digit after the decimal point are known as non-terminating decimal number. ऐसे decimal number, ऐसी fractions जिन्हें हम divide करें तो उसमें पॉइंट के बाद जो डिजिट है वो अनकाउंटेबल हों, डेट आर कॉल्ड नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड इट. इफ द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट आफ्टर द पॉइंट्स आर काउंटेबल, then it is terminating, otherwise it is non-terminating. Try it by yourself. If you have find any problem while solving it, you can ask me. The last true and false is 23.69 is round off to the nearest whole number as 24. How we round off 23.69? If the digit after the point is greater than 5, the previous number is round off to greater value, one greater value. अब आप यहाँ देखें कि पॉइंट के बाद अगर 6 है तो 5 से बड़ा डिजिट है, 6 है, तो ये प्रीवियस डिजिट में +1 कर देते हैं. तो that's why it is converted into 24. Okay, so it is true. Filling in the blank 3 and 4 is your homework. True and false. 3 and 4 is your homework. True, false, 3, 4. Part 3, 4 are question number homework. Try it by yourself, okay? Question number 3 is match each rational number in the left hand column with its correct decimal representation in the right hand column. So here the fractions are given, here the decimal number are given. Just you have to divide it and find the answer and match it. Do it by yourself. I think it is quite simple. Okay. Question number 3, homework. Now we will discuss question number 4 and 5 later on. I am moving to question number 6, which you have to do on your copies. Okay, question number 6. In question number 6, write the fraction in decimal form by changing the denominator to the power of 10. Here you have to change the denominator in power of 10. If the denominator is not in power of 10, you have to convert it. If it is present in the power of 10, there is no need to convert it into the power of 10. Okay. So I am going to solve its first part. First part is 1/10. Here the denominator is in the power of 10. There is no need to convert it into the power of 10. Just divide it. You will get the answer in decimal form. I am putting the numerator inside and denominator inside. As 1 is smaller than 10, 1 will not come in the table of 10. Putting 0 here. 10 ones are 10. So when you convert 1/10, you will get the answer in decimal. Solve its part number 2, multiply the numerator and denominator. 5 2s are 10, multiplying the numerator and denominator by 2 1 by 5, multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 to make the denominator in a power of 10. आपने कोई भी ऐसा नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है कि डिनोमिनेटर पावर ऑफ 10 में हो. आज it may be when it convert into the power of 10, it may be 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So it is 2 by 10. Just divide it by putting the numerator inside and denominator outside. 0.02. So when 2 by 10 is converted into decimal form, it is 0.2. Similarly, in its part number 3, the value is 1 by 50. Value is part number 3. Value is 1 by 50. So 50, 52s are 51s are 50, 52s are 100. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Why? To make it in a power of 10, you have to multiply the number or any number which make it in a power of 10. So 52s are 100. So I have multiplied the numerator and denominator by 2. 1 2s are 2, 52s are 100. Just divide it 100. 2 is not 2 will not come in the table of 100, putting 0. Then again it will not come, put again one more 0. 100 ones are 100, 100 2s are 200. So this is the answer, 0.02. Similarly, do its part 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by yourself. I have done its 3 parts. Question number 6. Part 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are homework. Do it by yourself, okay? If you find any problem while solving it, do ask me, okay? It's question number 6. Express the rational number at decimals by division. These are the rational numbers given in this question. Just you have to divide it and you will get the answer in decimal form. There is no need to convert it in a power of 10 and so on. So I'm going to solve its first part. Question number 7. The first rational number is 2 by 5. Just divide it by putting the numerator inside and denominator outside. 2 is smaller than 5 and it will not come in the table of 5, so I am putting 0 here. Now 20 will come in the table of 5. 4s are 20. So this is the quite simple question. Just divide it, you will get the answer into decimal form. Just there is no need to do anything else. Similarly, if do its part 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm doing is part 5. If the value will come with negative sign, ignore the negative sign. First divide the value by putting the numerator inside and denominator outside. 5 will not come in the table of 8, so I am putting 0 here. In its part number 5, you have to divide 5 by 8. Simply 5 is smaller than 8, putting 0 here and points will get 0 here. 8 6 48, subtract it, you will get 2. Again I put 0 here. 8 1s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are so on. The remainder is 2. So the answer in decimal point is 0.62. As with the rational number, the negative sign is present, so with the answer the negative sign will also come. Solve its part 2, 3, 4 and 6 by yourself, okay? So I think this is enough for today. Do it. I will check it tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.